would not believe this, but we actually lost the first sale of our house because of our neighbors. Now, I did mention that the first sale of our house fell through and they decided not to get the house after they saw the inspection report. But I'm here to tell you the truth about that now, and it wasn't the inspection report. So let me kind of start from the beginning of this situation. Basically, the first buyers of our house were here looking at the house, doing a showing, and they wanted to see what the inside of our workshop looked like. So the realtor called us and asked if we would come swing by and bring a key. So we came over and they, invited us into our house and we gave them the key. And the woman immediately says to me, "The guy on this side is a drug dealer." And the lady over there just gave me a snide look. Like, first thing she says pretty much besides thanks for the key. And yeah, so then they finished their tour and had their inspection, and I think after the inspection they got to thinking, I don't want to live next to somebody who appears to be a drug dealer, which this person plays like so much loud music, it's insane. It's too much. It's like day till night loud music, and he also sings in some of the music, and it's just not, I don't know how to say it nicely, but my ears don't like it. It needs to go. And then on the other side, we have a very, very jealous significant other. So anytime she sees a female, oh my gosh, she's going to be given some dirty, dirty looks. We'll just say that her and I pretend to like each other, but she hates my guts down to the core. But that is a story of how we lost our first sale to the neighbors. So it wasn't the inspection. It was a good excuse to pull out after already putting a bid in and everything. But I think they got to thinking about it and thought, I don't want to live next to someone who's playing loud music all the time, and I certainly don't want to get dirty looks every day from my other neighbor. So be careful if you're selling your house. Like, man, your neighbors need to mind their P's and Q's, because people will pull out because of the neighbors, and that's what happened to us. So that's the end of this story time. I just kind of wanted to elaborate a little bit because some of you have been asking what was wrong with the inspection, and they said a bunch of things, but it was little minute kind of things that you wouldn't think that you would lose the sale of the house over. So I'm sure that it was the neighbors, because if it was just the inspection, they might have offered us less money, like counter-offered. Or they might have wanted a credit to fix this stuff, but they just straight pulled right on out. So that's that story, and I hope that you enjoyed it. It wasn't very long, but I thought I'd let you know another piece of this little real estate buying and selling puzzle. We also found out that everything with our current buyers is going very well. In fact, we had them over today because they're going to be doing some fixing of things on their own. And so things are actually going pretty well. So I'll probably tell you a little bit more about the current buyer in a new video. But for now, I wanted to thank you so much for watching. And if you have not hit the thumbs up button, that would have really helped my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would encourage you to. I'm going to be publishing videos about my whole journey buying this Victorian house and selling the current house I'm in. And once we get moved to the Victorian house, I'm going to give you guys, options for wall colors and stuff, and do little polls and all kinds of fun stuff that you'll be able to interact in. So I hope that you join me and follow my journey, and give me comments and tips and tricks, and just interact with me. I love comments. So if you have any questions or anything, it's nothing's too personal. You can just ask. I'll let you know if I don't want to tell you. So other than that, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.